Hello everyone, thank you for subscribing to Smart Tutor for Beginners. So today I'm gonna show you on how to make wonderful scrolling text using the CapCut software. I'm going just to show you today how we are going to make a very beautiful scrolling texts on a video using CapCut editing software. So without wasting much of your time, so let us go deep into it. And remember to subscribe. Remember to tap the notification bell, like, comment, so that you can give me courage, so that I can produce more videos for you and make us to be pros in this editing thing altogether. So let us dive into it. So as you can see, this is my CapCut software that is popping on my window here. So this is the first page that pops up when I open the CapCut editing software. So I'm just going to click the new project so that I can put in the new project that I want to edit, or rather the kind of video that you have that you want to put the scrolling text on the video. So I'm just going to import a video or a sample of a video that I have here just for tutorial purposes. So I'm just going to take a new video here that I downloaded on my website, or rather on the web. I'm just going to take this video here, then I'm going to open it on the software. So as you can see, the video is on the source window. The video is on the source window, so I'm going to take the video straight ahead to the timeline. This is the video timeline, and here this is the preview window. So this is the preview window, this is the source window, and this is the timeline window, for those who don't know. What I'm going to do here, we want to put a text, or rather a scrolling text to our video. We just want to put a scrolling text to our video, and maybe you're wondering, how do we put or how do we key in scrolling text on a video? Maybe you are a news broadcaster, maybe, and you have a video, rather you have an interview, and you just want to put a news update down below your video. Now you are at the right place, and this is the right video for you. So just watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial thing that may be of help to you. So let's continue. So we have our video around here, and then we shall go just click on the text icon above the window there. Then we shall see this default text window, or rather this footage here of a default text appearing on the source window. So we just gonna click on it and see what happens. You shall see on the preview window that a default text that appears here also appears here. You see a default text appearing here. You shall see it appearing here too. So you're just gonna drag this default text down your video, on top of your video. You're just gonna long press the left. You're just gonna left click on your mouse and drag it down using the left click of your mouse. So you're just gonna drag it on top of your video, of which you want to apply the scrolling text. And then, as you can see, the text on the preview window is too big. It's too big, and we want it to be on a smaller size so that it can fit very well on the lower side of the video that is your video too, that you are making. So let us go together. So when you want to decrease these texts, so that it can become smaller, with CapCut, I just like CapCut because CapCut is so simple and is so clear and so straightforward to the point. It doesn't have many problems. You go here, there, you go here, there. No, you just come here, you just left click, or rather you long press the left click button on your mouse, and then just drag it smoothly, and then until it comes to the level, or rather to the size that is suitable for you. As you can see, I'm just dragging it by just holding one end, and you can see I am just free to play with it the way I want. It's so enjoyable. You can just play with it the way you want. So you can just drag. So this is the size that I want, and this is the size that of the text that I want to be going through here, from this point to this point, or rather from this point to this point. It depends on what you want, or rather you can also change the color of the text. You can also change the color of the text. You can maybe just drag this ball here. You just go click on the color icon there, and then you're just gonna drag. You shall see your text changing. You see, as we drag, you see our text changing here. So we drag, we see. In my case, I just wanna do with black, because the video is more of a white. It's more of bright, so I just want to use a dark color. So I'm gonna use a default text of black color. So as you can see, what change can we make on our text? There are more options here. You can see the preset style here. You can just click on them to see how your text appears, and you choose the best one that fits you. Or rather, the yellow one looks good. Wow, the yellow one looks good. So I'll just do with the yellow one. So as you can see, I just don't want to use this default text, but when I see this, I see another window here that is trying to tell me what is written here so that I can edit it. So we are just going to erase the default text message, and then we're just gonna put our message, of which we're gonna write my subscribers, please 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 subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. So that's our text. My subscribers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Then I'm gonna put a full stop. So as you can see, the time I was typing this text, there was a change that was happening here. As you noticed, there was a change that the text became longer. So I can put it down here. You see, things are now coming the way they're supposed to be. So what I'm going to do, we want our text to move. So when we play this, our text is not moving yet. It's still blank. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put our playhead to the first point of the video. Then we're just going to drag this to the, okay, let us drag this to the left here. Then we're going to put a keyframe. Gonna come here, just gonna scroll down this position and size, note very carefully position and size, and there's a add keyframe. When you just come here, there is a add a keyframe. So we're gonna add a keyframe when this text is on this side. So you're gonna add a keyframe here. So our text is going to come from here going to this side. So we've added a keyframe here on the first part of the text. So what you're gonna do again is we're gonna put this playhead here, and then we're gonna add a keyframe. We're gonna drag this. We're gonna drag this. Sorry about that. Yeah. So after taking out our video, let us do this now. We're gonna take our text to this point. We're gonna take our text to this point, and then this keyframe, we're gonna bring it here. Just gonna click on our keyframe there. So when you come and play our video, let us see what is going to happen. Oh my god, let us just see what is going to happen here. We're gonna click on it now. See, wow, 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 our text is moving. Our text is moving so swift. Wow, I like that. I like that. Let us play it again. Let us play it again. Wow, see the way the text is moving? It's moving very smooth. Now, as you notice that the text is so fast, so we want to drag it so that when this video ends, the text should end with the video. So let us do this. So we're gonna drag this frame here, and then we're gonna put it here so that the text becomes a bit slow. So let us play it again. Wow, that's so nice. That's so nice. This looks good. Looks so good. It looks so good and it looks so nice. I really like this. I really like this. I really like this. So as you can see, this is how we make our scrolling text with CapCut. It's very simple and very easy for beginners, and it's very nice. I hope that you're going to make your videos to another level, and you're going to get something more new, and you're going to have more techniques to make your video. So let us subscribe. Let us click on the notification bell. Let us like, let us comment, so that when a new video pops up or a new video comes out, or when I have a new video for you, you'll be the first one to have the video watched. So please subscribe, and let us meet on the next one. Bye bye, my lovely people.